If you're about to purchase Bluehost, don't click the checkout button just yet. There's an exclusive Bluehost coupon code available that can save you up to 78% off, plus you'll get a free domain name when you choose an annual hosting plan. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get the biggest Bluehost discount available, which hosting plans qualify, which billing term gives you the lowest monthly price, and a couple of mistakes you want to avoid before placing your order. Let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is click the link in the description below. That link takes you directly to Bluehost's exclusive discounted pricing page. You'll save more than going to Bluehost directly. Just so you know, it's an affiliate link, which means I earn a commission if you decide to purchase through it. It doesn't cost you anything extra. Once you're on the page, click View WordPress Plans. Bluehost currently offers 4 web hosting plans, 1 site plan. If you're creating a single website, this is usually the best value. You'll get up to 78% off, pricing starting as low as $1.99 per month. Great choice for beginners, blogs, and small business websites. Starter plan. If you need additional features while still keeping costs low, the starter plan is another excellent option. You receive up to 70% off, pricing starting around $2.99 per month. Business Essentials plan. If you're building a business website with more advanced features, Business Essentials is worth considering. This plan includes up to 57% off, pricing starting around $5.99 per month. eCommerce Essentials plan. If you're launching an online store, this is Bluehost's eCommerce Focus plan. You receive up to 68% off, pricing starting around $6.99 per month. Once you've decided which plan fits your needs, click Choose Plan. Next, you'll select your billing term. Bluehost currently offers monthly, 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, 4 years. Here's the important part. If your goal is getting the absolute lowest monthly price, the 3-year and 4-year terms provide the biggest savings. If you don't want to commit that long, the 1-year and 2-year plans still offer excellent discounts, just at a slightly higher monthly price. One thing to remember is that the free domain name is only included with annual plans. If you choose the monthly option, you won't receive the free domain. From there, you'll either register a brand new domain or use one you already own, create your Bluehost account, review any optional add-ons, enter your payment information, and complete your purchase. The exclusive Bluehost discount is already applied through the special pricing page, so there isn't a separate coupon code you'll need to type in during checkout. That's how to get Bluehost's exclusive discount. Depending on the hosting plan you choose, you can save up to 78% off, get pricing starting as low as $1.99 per month, and receive a free domain name when selecting an annual hosting plan. If you'd like to take advantage of the current offer, I've included the discounted link below in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.